back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing on my face right now. Basically, it's getting there. It's coming up for Christmas time. What I'm going to do is I am actually gearing up to do a 12 looks of Christmas, and I know like lots of people do Vlogmas, lots of people will do like unboxings of all of their advent calendars like each and every day and things like that, and I was like, there's no way that I'm going to be able to do like loads and loads and loads of things through December, but I may be able to pull 12 looks of Christmas out of the bag. So this look is my day one of my 12 looks of Christmas. I know it's not December yet, but it's going to be difficult to fit them all into December. Now, I'm hoping that I'm going to actually be able to do this. So we will see. The fact that I'm uploading this first is hopefully going to kick my butt into gear and make me do this. But I really just wanted to create 12 different looks in the month of December to kind of replicate the 12 days of Christmas. So it'll be the 12 makeup looks of Christmas. Anybody else that is on YouTube and wants to follow along with this, then I challenge you to do the 12 looks of Christmas as well. I think it would be pretty cool if lots of different people did it, because there would be a mountain of different looks out there, and the good old makeup tutorial is dying a death on YouTube and we have to stop it. I know it's really difficult to like thumb through thousands upon thousands, maybe even millions of videos that are just makeup tutorials, because it's kind of hard to describe them. Unless you're looking for a particular palette or a particular colour, it is quite difficult to differentiate them all. So it would be good to get like an influx of different looks and vibes for the month of December, so we can all gear up for our Christmas looks and our Christmas party looks and our New Year's party looks and things like that. So I think it'll be really cool. So yeah, if you have a YouTube channel, I challenge you to do the 12 looks of Christmas as well. Okay, now that that is out of the way, I need to address the red elephant in the room. I am wearing a red lipstick. I have never worn a red lipstick before, or I have, but I think I've just like thrown it on a night out and it's looked ridiculous. Red lipstick is one of the ones that I just decided that I could not wear because I have tiny lips. They are a little bit bigger than they used to be. I'm not quite finished with them yet. I will be getting them redone, but this is Red Rum from Jeffree Star, and this is going to be featured heavily in this series. This is the most stunning red lipstick I have ever seen. I was really struggling to find a red lipstick to suit me, and this I've just completely and utterly fallen in love with. So I'm really easy on the eyes, really heavy on the red lip, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling now because I'm just going to go on and on. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.